Hi everyone, welcome to the 37th module of GKToday's Banking Awareness course. Today's topic is Financial Inclusion. I'm Ritrisha from GKToday and let us begin. Which one of the following is PMJDY, that is Pradhan Mantri Jan-dhan Yojana, related to? Correct answer is financial inclusion. Pradhan Mantri Jan-dhan Yojana or National Mission for Financial Inclusion was launched on 28th August 2014 to ensure affordable access to financial services like bank accounts, remittance, credit insurance and pension. What is the amount for accidental insurance cover in Pradhan Mantri Jan-dhan Yojana? Correct answer is rupees 2 lakh. So accidental insurance cover is up to rupees 2 lakh, whereas life cover is rupees 30,000 payable on the death of the beneficiary. What is or are the main aim of financial inclusion? Correct answer is to provide basic banking service to all sections of society in urban areas or rural areas at affordable cost. So what is the point of financial inclusion? So this is basically all of the reasons that we should have schemes like Pradhan Mantri Jan-dhan Yojana. What is that? That banking and insurance and pension, all these basic services should be accessible to the poorest of the poor of the country. And towards that, a committee known as Rangarajan Committee on Financial Inclusion was formed in 2006, and this was headed by Dr. C. Rangarajan, who was the chairman of Economic Advisory Council to the Prime Minister back then. And this committee actually came up with a bunch of recommendations in order to ensure that financial inclusion was a part of the Indian governance. Financial inclusion means which of the following? And we have just discussed this. Correct answer is bringing all poor people under the banking net. In order to improve their level of inclusion, demand-side efforts need to be taken, including improving human and physical resource endowments, enhancing productivity, mitigating risk, and strengthening market linkages. The primary focus should always be improving the delivery system, both conventional and innovative, so that each of them have access whenever they need to any sort of banking or insurance facility. Which of the following efforts fall under financial inclusion plan of RBI or the government? Correct answer is all of them. Nationalization was also aimed at making sure that banks come under a certain standard. They have to maintain a certain standard, which includes having branches available to rural and semi-urban areas as well as urban areas. Similarly, public sector lendings also target the same, and zero balance accounts are essential to reaching the poor, because not everybody in India can afford to have a bank balance and maintain a bank balance, but they should still be entitled to a bank account. Which of the following is not true regarding financial inclusion plan? Correct answer is option C. So this is pretty much common sense. Why would you have minimum balance criteria if you're trying to reach out to the poor? On the other hand, simplifying KYC, then mandatory branches in unbanked villages or very remote locations, micro branches in rural areas, all these are focused towards helping the poor access banking services. What is the full form of FINO? Correct answer is Financial Inclusion Network in Operation. This is the basic integrated technology platform and delivery channel, and it enables sourcing and servicing of micro customers on a very large scale. This is based in the financial capital of India, which is Mumbai. Who among the following is a banking corresponding agent? So if you remember, we have actually covered banking corresponding agents in a previous video already. I'll link it in the description. Here the correct answer is an authorized representative of bank who offer banking services in unbanked areas. So the idea is to bring banking to people's doorsteps. Which of the following is true regarding BCA? So this is a banking correspondent agent, and correct answer is C. That is, they can provide services to more than one bank. In remote areas, it doesn't make sense to have correspondents who are associated with only a bank, because then you can't expect every bank to send different correspondents. Instead, if we have a correspondent who can offer services of different banks, it is a lot easier to help banking services from different banks and different associations reach the people. And banking correspondents also are present in areas where it is not possible to have a physical bank. So it doesn't make sense to have them associated with a single bank only. Financial inclusion means provision of which of the following? Correct answer is financial services like payments, remittance, saving, loans, etc. at affordable cost. So financial inclusion is basically the idea that any person, no matter how poor or how rich, should be able to walk into a bank and save their money or take part in any insurance or banking service as they wish. And they should have banks available to them whenever they need. So that is the main idea of financial inclusion, to bring people back to mainstream banking. That's all for this module. If you like this, don't forget to like and share this video and keep subscribing to GK Today for more such videos. Until next time, goodbye and good luck.